Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Nebula Marker. This guide will walk you through each step, from finding its elusive location to successfully adding it to your collection. We will cover the necessary preparations, including what items you might need, and how to navigate the unique challenges presented by its environment. By the end, you will have a clear understanding of the entire process, ensuring a smooth and rewarding experience as you claim this special item. To begin your quest for the Nebula Marker, you must first locate the entrance to the Celestial Zone. This mystical gateway is cleverly concealed within the Whispering Peaks region, specifically near the base of its tallest summit. Keep a keen eye out for a faint, shimmering portal. It is often camouflaged against the rocky terrain. Remember, this portal only becomes visible under certain in-game conditions, so timing your visit is crucial for successful entry into the zone. Once inside the Celestial Zone, you will find yourself in a zero-gravity cosmic labyrinth. Navigation here requires precision and patience. Follow the faint starlight trails that guide your path, as deviating from them can lead to disorientation in the vast emptiness. Your main challenge involves solving 3 distinct constellation puzzles. Each puzzle demands careful alignment of specific star patterns to unlock the next section of the labyrinth and bring you closer to your goal. After successfully navigating the cosmic labyrinth and solving its puzzles, the Nebula Marker will finally be within your grasp. It rests peacefully on a small, floating asteroid at the labyrinth's core. Approach this asteroid slowly and deliberately to prevent any sudden shifts or movements that could make collection difficult. Once you are close enough, simply interact with the marker to securely add it to your inventory. Congratulations! You have now successfully obtained the elusive Nebula Marker.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.